The danger zone, you've heard it 100 times. But here's the truth most kitchens don't understand. The danger zone is not the same everywhere. Some countries say 5 to 60 degrees Celsius. Others say 5 to 63 degrees Celsius. So which one is right? They all are, because these limits are set for legal control. They give kitchens clear boundaries to follow, measure, and audit. They are there to manage risk. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Not all of the danger zone is equally dangerous. The real danger, the fastest bacterial growth, happens between 20 and 50 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect environment for bacteria. Not cold enough to slow them down. Not hot enough to kill them. Just warm enough to multiply fast. Very fast. In this range, bacteria don't just grow, they explode in numbers. What starts as a small contamination can become a serious food safety risk in a short time. And where do we often leave food? Room temperature, which sits right inside this exact high-risk zone. So yes, follow your legal limits. 5 to 60, 5 to 63, because they are essential for control. But understand this, the real danger is in the middle. 20 to 50 degrees Celsius is where control is lost the fastest. This is why. Cooling must be rapid. Reheating must be thorough. Food must never sit out just for a while. Because just for a while, in the wrong temperature, is all bacteria need. Know the limits. But more importantly, understand where the real danger lives. Because food safety isn't just about following rules. It's about understanding why they exist,